Hello friends, today you will be learning about the electrical capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor partially filled with a conducting slab in between the two plates of the capacitor. So let us start with this topic. Suppose here is a parallel plate capacitor with two plates of area A each, separated by a distance d, of which one plate is earthed. This plate carries a positive charge plus q and this plate carries a negative charge minus q as the induced charge. So electric field will develop in the space between the two plates, and you know this electric field will be from positive to negative sheet, from positive sheet to the negative sheet, from positive plate to the negative plate of the conductor. A conducting slab, a conducting plate is inserted between the two plates of the capacitor and its thickness is T, means thickness of the conducting plate is T. This is a conducting plate. You know, whenever a conductor is placed in a uniform electric field, it gets polarized, as a result of which an induced electric field is set up inside the conductor in the direction opposite to the external electric field. That induced electric field is equal in magnitude to the external electric field, and this makes net electric field inside the conductor 0. So electric field inside this conductor is 0. But in the free space, electric field exists, and the value of this electric field is E naught. From this, what can you conclude? That whenever a conducting slab is inserted between the two plates of a capacitor, the electric field inside the conducting slab becomes 0, and electric field exists only in the free space wherever it is. So the distance, effective distance between the two plates of the conductor gets reduced. Is it clear? So let us derive the expression for capacitance for this situation. You see the electric field setup, electric field set up in the free space between the two plates of the capacitor is denoted by E naught, and E naught is equal to, you already learnt, Q by epsilon naught A, or if you want to understand it again, you see E is sigma by epsilon naught, because you learnt the electric field between two charge carrying plane sheet is sigma by epsilon naught if the charge density on the two plates are same and they are of opposite nature. So this is sigma by epsilon naught. You know sigma is Q by A. So this is Q by epsilon naught A. This is electric field set up in the free space. Now electric field inside the conducting slab, electric field inside the conducting slab is E is equal to 0. Therefore, potential difference developed between the two plates of the capacitor. Two plates of the capacitor is V is equal to you see it is E naught. Now you see E naught exists up to how much distance? Total distance between the two plates is D, and T is the thickness of the conducting slab. So the free space between the two plates is D minus T. E naught D minus T plus E into T. You see E naught is Q by epsilon naught A D minus T, and as E is 0, so this term is equal to 0. And from here you can find Q by V is equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T. And you know Q by V is C, means C is equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T. This is the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor having partially filled conducting slab between its two plates. So this is the expression for capacitance. Have a look on the board again in the magnified form. You can copy down all these by pausing the video. You see. Now here you can see that C is equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T, and earlier whenever there was no conducting slab between the two plates, then it was C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. So you see epsilon naught A is a numerator whenever the conducting slab is inserted between the two plates, and it was same whenever there was no conducting slab between the two plates. But denominator has been reduced. Earlier the denominator was D only, now it is D minus T. So what does it mean? It means that denominator has been reduced but numerator remains same. That is, capacitance decreases with the conducting slab inserted between the two plates of the capacitor. Means if you will insert a conducting slab between the two plates of the capacitor, the capacitance will decrease. So this is the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with conducting slab between its two plates.